That's crazy.
Oh, it's shaking the vehicle.
Oh boy.
Shit.
Are you sure this? Okay.
I don't know.
Are you capturing this?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
As we sit here.
Whoa!
Oh my god.
We're in the tornado.
We're not
Don't say
in the
that.
damn tornado. Now stop it. Oh my god.
Oh.
I'm telling you, those are funnel clouds.
Do you see that?
Yes.
I don't know if this is a good idea.
Okay, here, it's over there. You gotta be worried.
Oh yeah?
Look at it moving up. Holy shit. Wow. That's what they do. They come down and then they lift.
Wouldn't this thing have said, oh, yeah, I'm seeing that circulation right there.
Yeah. Look at it going up. It's like drawing it all up.
Mama, can you roll your window down a little? The whole way, actually?
Okay, wind it
Okay,
up.
I don't want you to get wet.
Okay.
Roll it up.